Okay, so to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu, and when you get to your phone menu, scroll a little bit and try to search for your settings app. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. When you open it, tap on SIM card and mobile network. So when you tap on SIM card and mobile network, tap on the network type you're using. Then after that, tap on preferred network type. Then when you get over here, choose 4G/3G/4G 2G/3G/4G auto. You have to choose this. So when you choose this, what you have to do again is to go to your phone settings, then you scroll a little bit and tap on app management. So when you tap on the app management, tap on app settings. Then when you get over here, you're going to see all your app listed over here. So what you have to do is to just scroll down and tap on Gangster Vegas app. So when you tap on the Gangster Vegas app, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache below, then you go back, tap on notifications and make sure you allow this all notification over here. Go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then make sure the background data is turned on. Then after that, go back and tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do lastly is to go to your phone menu and try to tap on your Google Play Store. When you tap on Google Play Store, search for Gangster Vegas, and when you find this Gangster Vegas, what you have to do is to check for the update. So when you update this, what you have to do is to just tap on the update. When you tap on the update and you get the latest update, you're going to see play and uninstall over here. So after doing this, don't tap on play to play the game. What you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while, and when you tap on your power button for some while, this is going to pop up. Then you restart or reboot your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.